Hey everyone, welcome to Sherry 4x4. We have an all new special edition Ram 1500. This is a 2021 built to serve Ram 1500. What's unique about the built to serves is they offer 5 different editions for 5 different branches of the military. This particular edition is for the Marine. Comes in 2 different colors for each division. This is the tank clear. This is also available in the flame red. Let's talk about this truck. Really unique color. Only 1,000 of these will be built, and we are lucky enough to have one here to demonstrate for you today, and we have the ability to order more if you'd like to special order yours in. Comes with the all black front grille inserts, as you can see here. What's really special about the built to serve edition is it's a Ram Bighorn with a ton of extra features that you typically have to jump up to a Ram Rebel to get. So by having it on this built to serve package, not only do you get those features, but you save a ton of money. And looking at this, this has been raised factory lift kit. They don't tell us by how much, but by looking at it, if my guess, it'd be between 1 inch and 2 inch lift kit on it. Has off-road suspension on it as well, and skid plates going down underneath to protect your individual components that could be compromised by going off-road. Unique wheels on this built to serve. These wheels will not be found on any other Ram 1500. Also, this is equipped with the Hemi, and it's the eTorque Hemi. What that eTorque Hemi is, it's a mild hybrid system. And you might be thinking, man, I want a hybrid, but it's really great. It's a simple system. What it means for you as a consumer is you get 2 more miles a gallon in the city and another mile per gallon on the highway. And a ton more torque when starting off. Coming down the side, it has unique side steps to get into the truck. Those are unique for built to serves. Also on both sides of the rear, it has built to serve emblem with the American flag. And coming around to the rear, does have the dampening tailgate and 4-inch dual exhaust. Now let's go take a look at some of the cool features inside that makes this truck unique to the built to serve package. All right, come on inside. Let's take a look at some of the unique things to this truck as a result of the built to serve package. So getting to the seats here, has custom badging on the seats here, built to serve with the Ram emblem as well. On the driver and the passenger seat, you have patches here. They're Velcro, so you can put in your different things off of your uniform right onto the seat if you desire. The seats are leather trimmed with a cloth insert in the center here. What I personally like about that is on those hot days, it's not super hot, and on those cold days, it's not super cold because of the cloth insert. Also notice the built to serve custom badging here on the glove compartment. And then now we'll get into some of the features on this Ram 1500. One of the most comfortable driving pickup trucks I've ever personally drove. This Ram 1500 has won numerous awards, and it's well deserved. 12-inch touchscreen radio here. This does not only just your radio, which offers Sirius satellite radio for 6 months, but also this is your navigation. This will control your heating and air conditioning controls. There's dual zones in this, so you control your passenger independent from the driver, and you can set it to automatic, so it's going to regulate the fan speed and temperature automatic. You don't have to touch it, which is super nice. Also on this particular one is equipped with the optional trailer steering and optional trailer electronic brake controller. How this truck's equipped, you can tow just over 8,200 pounds, and in a half-ton truck, that is amazing. And when you're towing that much weight, you gotta be able to stop it. So you need that electronic brake control, which was very nice having it built in from the factory. So it's nice and neatly done in there. Some of the features on this that are unique to this built to serve is going to be down here. So it's got the rear differential electronic axle lock. That's typically only available on the Rebel edition. That is available on this built to serve. Also, you have downhill assist as well. Again, another feature there. Of course, this is 4-wheel drive, and you have your shifter here for gear selectors. So with that, we'll jump into the back, show a little bit of the roominess of the back of this pickup truck, and let's head on back there. All right, just kidding. We're not jumping in the back yet. I forgot one of the most important things up here that I know everyone wants to see. So inside the glove compartment here, is a locking compartment. So great for your gun. Lock it away where it's safely in there. All right, now let's check out the back. All right, coming back here, as you're coming in, you probably noticed the panoramic sunroof. It comes not only over the driver and passenger, but all the way back here to the second row as well. Also, I always want to point out how roomy these crew cab 1500 trucks are. It's hard to say that you can be comfortable in the back of a pickup truck, but in these new Rams, you can be comfortable in the back of the pickup truck here. Also, there's a couple cool features I want to point out that I've never particularly seen in Ram. Has these little gadgets down here. I've never seen that in any particular Ram behind your seat. Also here, this is offered in Rams. I always like to point this out here. This is a nice storage compartment here, but also is an insulated container there that maybe if you want to use it as a cooler, and then you can dump it out and clean it when you're done with it. But it's tucked in down in the floor. There is slush mats that go over this floor that come with this particular truck as well. As always, if you'd like to order one of these built to serves for yourself and for your family, would love the opportunity to earn your business. I'll post information down below of how to contact us. Financing is available on these. Great interest rates right now and great incentives from the banks. So give us a call to get started on that. And you can also get started right on the link below. With that, my name is Michael Sherry. We are Sherry 4x4. Brian Hosey's behind the camera. And we hope to hear from you soon.